Hey friends, Dan here, and we are on day 10 of the BD Diesel 12 Days of Christmas. Stock Swaybar end links are prone to wearing and pounding out, but with the BD Diesel Swaybar end links, you can replace these for virtually the last time. BD's Swaybar end links have a dual pivot design that allows for greater amount of articulation and less stress. Long life urethane bushing design allows for greater flex without breaking and will not pound out or seize due to the elements. All components are designed to be easily serviceable, and wearing items are low cost to replace. Kits come complete with all hardware and can be quickly installed in approximately 1 hour. Check out bddiesel.com and get your sway on today.